Hey everyone, today is Thursday, February 2nd, Groundhog's Day, and this is Solitude Chatter. My name's Ian, I'm with Solitude Ski Patrol. Alright, let's take a look at last week. From last Thursday to today, we've picked up some snow. We've picked up 25 inches of snow, in fact. Nice storm rolled through the area, made for some extremely good skiing conditions yet again. Currently weather is clear and warm. We've had some cold nights with clear skies and warm days. Just been beautiful out here. We can expect more of that the next couple days until Sunday, Monday. Looks like on Sunday we might have another snow system moving through the area. Details aren't all there yet, but keep your eyes on that storm, and then potentially another storm midweek next week, maybe on Thursday or Wednesday. So a couple potential systems heading our way. All right, for terrain, currently we have 100% of our terrain open, except for Vertigo. Is not open today due to a competition, IFSA qualifier going on today. So that's some exciting stuff up on the mountain for those that like to watch people competing in those events. All right, so yeah, 100% of our terrain open. We anticipate that the next couple days also, until most likely this next system hits us. So it's great to have the mountain wide open. And I understand that the Groundhog did see his shadow today, so it looks like we're in for 6 more weeks of winter. Hurrah! All right, I can't wait. Remember, it is pretty bright and sunny out here. Some sunscreen wouldn't be bad to lather on, as well as some eye protection. So sunglasses, goggles, and some good sunscreen. All right, folks, we'll see you on the slope.